So using Qwen, what you can also do is generate out SQL queries as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, write a SQL query to create a table of shopping list with SN, name, discount, total, and grand total right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll go ahead and then generate out an SQL query for me to create that particular table, as you can see right here. So now you can see that it created a table right here, just like this, and then even gave me the comment on what each does, as you can see. So I can simply go ahead and copy this SQL code right here, and then go to, let's say, for example, an SQL editor of my choice, paste out this code and run the SQL. So once you do that, you can see that it says auto increment syntax error. So let me just go ahead and copy this error right here, go back to Qwen and say, I got the error, just like this. So now it says the error you're encountering is because of this. Depending on the compiler, you get different errors. So you can see that it actually went ahead and corrected it out right here. So now you can go ahead and copy this and then go around over here, paste this out, run this, and then it says error. So now it says for SQLite, please use this. So let's just go ahead and copy this, paste it. And then now you can see that the table is created called shopping list. So now you can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, you can go ahead and say, now create a SQL query to add 10 dummy data to that table. So you can see that if I were to go ahead and do that, it says now to enter 10 dummy data. It gives you 4 different options, like for MySQL, for SQLite. So in my case, this is a light editor, as you can see right here, but most of it is actually compatible. So let's try with the first one. So I'm just going to copy this out right here and paste this and then click on run SQL. And then you can see that I actually go ahead and then got this information right here in my table right here. And that is how you can go ahead and easily go ahead and generate out SQL queries as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.